everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. This is my channel, Mo Nation. So y'all, today we are putting the transmission in the Grand Prix, the project car. So like I said, we headed to Gus's. If y'all don't know, Gus is the guy who put the diff in my car, and he's been helping me out with the car and stuff. If you in San Antonio or the surrounding areas and you need something done to your car, even if it's like regular maintenance, you can hit him up and he can get it done for you. So today, like I said, we gonna put the transmission in, y'all. All right, y'all, so here's the new transmission. Old new, probably gonna wash it off. So it's a stock transmission. Probably won't be doing too much crazy stuff because it's a stock transmission. So we can go ahead and take the bottom portion, I guess it's called the subframe, if I'm not mistaken. We'll go take that part off first. That way we can just slide the transmission up there. So we got it off. Y'all can see. So apparently they cut the cat off. Engine mount is bad, so we're trying to price the engine mounts right now and change this out. And the training mount isn't the greatest, so we're gonna try to go and buy the engine mount and training mount to replace these while we already got everything taken apart. But other than that, we don't see any other problems besides, I mean, obviously it's dirty, so, but don't see any other problems with it. Besides that, the exhaust is pretty much so Gus is calling around right now to see if we can find engine mounts and training mounts so we can go ahead and replace that since everything is already taken apart. And then I'm probably gonna start cleaning this. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, shadow in the way, so I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash this stuff off. Alright, y'all, so transmission, we're about to go ahead and put the transmission in. We still waiting on the mounts. You already took the mounts off? Oh, dang. got the transmission in. It's kind of hard to like learn and watch him do it because I'm trying to learn at the same time, so that's why I'm not filming as much, but I'm trying to film some. But he got the transmission in, got one of the motor mounts on. This is the tranny mount right here, and then we're working on this other motor mount because apparently it's either different or something's not right with it. So he's about to check on that right quick, and then once we get that in, I guess we're gonna go and go ahead and get that bottom portion, put that back in. I guess we're gonna tighten everything up, screw everything in, and I guess try to start it after that. So hopefully nothing's wrong, you know, with the motor, but we'll see. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and try it, see if it turned on. It's gonna be loud, kind of loud too. Traction control and ABS is on. There's the brake system. Hey y'all, so ABS light is on right now. Gus is scanning it. Solenoid.
I might erase them, see what happens.
What solenoid? Oh, you got a half a tank of gas in that mug too. Alright y'all, so we are going for a drive. This big long car. This is the first unofficial drive of the G8. I'm trying to get out of Gus's shop. trying to watch the temp, the engine temp, and then also I'm watching the transmission temp. Sounds like a truck right now. So I don't know if the paddle shifters work at all. Alright y'all, so everything seems to be something with the ABS solenoid. That's the only thing. It started to get a little hot, but now it's coming down. So we got the ABS traction control, just like in the G8 basically. Same thing is going on. Trans is at 190. Battery's good. Engine hours. We've got G's, so probably need some more coolant. They got 147,000 miles on it. The air blow pretty cold. 60 blows good. Damn, there's no vents back here. Alright. Plug even got OnStar. But everything else is pretty much is good. I mean, the heads-up display worked, but it doesn't come down. So I mean, but that's not a big issue. It just need to be cleaned up basically.